I have found the apple of my eye, the light of my life on an evening like every other. But I soon found out that you were entitled to another man. Usually this means we can no longer be together. Then, an idea struck. Although I've never met you, I've become addicted to you. You are my drug, and I can never get enough of you. Love is like a disease. It is hard to get rid of, and it latches onto you. But I love you too much to live without you loving me back.